Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama's Weeds. Today we're just going to do a quick tutorial on how to plant potatoes. It's a good idea to do them around Valentine's Day in our zone, which is 7. The old timers say to do it at the full moon or when the full moon is descending, whatever that means. So we have a pretty good full moon, we're going to go with it. So you can buy seed potatoes, or you can use store-bought potatoes if you buy organic, because you don't want them to have pesticides and stuff on there. And you can put them in a cool, dark place. We put ours in the pantry for a few weeks, and they get these little sprouts, which are called chittings. A potato this big, sometimes if you wanted, you could cut it and make 2 seeds, but you want to have a sprout on each side. But if you do that, you're also going to have to let them heal in, which means they have to callus. You lay them out on like some newspaper in the sun for 3 or 4 days so they can kind of get hard. These are small enough that we're just going to plant them full. So I have this big galvanized tub full of good dirt. It's a little bit too full, and that's another thing. You don't want to just stick these in the hard ground. They want to be in loose soil so that they can, spread out. So I'm just going to get rid of a little bit of this dirt. So the trick is you plant them kind of shallow because the roots are going to come up from the sprouts that you have. So of course you plant them sprout side up. And then as they get the green, it'll grow, I don't know, inch or 2 inches. You put dirt on top of that and you keep doing that, and it'll keep growing potatoes up in like a long line. And then you can harvest. So let me get this dirt out of here real quick. And we're going to save that in a 5-gallon bucket instead of wasting it, because that's what we're going to use to top dress as they start growing. Okay, I think that's good. So we just have the little small guys. We're going to plant them with the sprout side up, and you don't want them very deep. You really want them like a foot apart, but I'm going to just put them closer together to kind of show you and let you get a visual. So your root sides are up because this is where your plant's going to grow from. Alright, and we're going to use our dirt, just kind of top dress them around. And potatoes need to be watered about once a week and not sit in any, don't plant them in any boggy place. They need to drain really quickly. But with the way grocery prices are going, it's excellent to do this. And another tip I've learned is when you harvest, if you have little small potatoes, don't throw them away. Go ahead and store them in a cool, dry place over winter and plant them, because there may be a time that you can't really get potatoes. Right now it's hard to find eggs and milk, so this world is becoming a crazy place and things are getting harder and harder to find. So it's always good to have your own supply. Alright, that's it. So in a few months, we'll just have little red potatoes growing out of our ears. These are all the new potatoes. Go ahead and try it. You can plant them in tires, buckets, your garden, anything you have that's like at least 1.5 feet deep. All right, thanks for watching Mama's Weeds.